Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. Meow. 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 What are you doing? There's a kitty. There's a kitty, kitty. There's Lulu. Lulu. All right, let's go. Well, here's a bunch of the parts we got going on. Got these saddlebags today. Picked these up off of Craigslist for 120 bucks. Pretty decent. They're about 200 retail, so a little over half price. Then we got a windshield mount. Got a sports Memphis Shades sports shield on order. They haven't sent it out yet. Got a license plate bracket. Got another one of those. Already got one of those. Then I have they sent me the wrong part, so they had to send out the innards for this in a separate box. But this is for the integrated tail light. It comes with the clear clear lens, and then the LED insert that goes in there, and that all gets wired. And this has the blinkers and the tail lights all in one, so that's why I took the blinkers off. So we got that, and we got that, and then this comes with a module so it won't blink too fast. So we'll probably put that on. So there's that. So, in this, I already put the smoke. This was the smoke lenses on the front, blinkers. Took the signal lenses off, put the smoke lenses on, shortened the bar 2 inches on each end. And then I got another set of handlebars ordered. The first ones we tried were too short. I found a longer set of drag bars in black, and I'm going to get some black grips. I already put the black mirrors on, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I might just clean these up and paint them black. This thing here. So, black is the theme, and chrome is just a little bit of the accent, the cherry on top. We recovered the wires because the covering that was on this was all cracking and yellow and hard. So we stripped that off, put this neat stuff on both sides. And for some reason, the headlight is tilted up to the sky, so I got to figure out what's up with that. Maybe put a spacer in there. And so the next thing I got to do is finish taking this off. This is coming off because we're going to use the saddlebags now, change of plans. And then paint. Got to start painting the tank, the fender. These pieces here are going to be black as well. They go on there. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the fender, the front fender. We'll get that small size sport shield on there and see what it looks like, and we'll just excuse me. We'll just leave the front fender off for now. If anybody wants to help me decide, they can comment. That fender could go back on, but we're trying to keep a budget. Everything we're doing is with a budget in mind. I didn't have to pay too much for this bike. I only paid $2,500 for it. It's got about 20,000 miles on it. And it still runs great. I haven't ridden it yet. The guy had just changed the oil and all the fluid wherever, if there's any other fluid somewhere in the case. He put new plugs in it. The thing runs really good. I can't start it up now because I got the fuel line unhooked because I got the tank off. It's just sitting on here now. So, but it does run good. So, anyway, gonna stop talking about it now, and hopefully it's so cold out here that we got to shut everything down and turn the heaters on before I ever feel like doing anything out here.